Visit us on onestepenglish.com. Lesson 80. Idioms. Let's learn English.
Today, we will learn more about idioms.
Idioms are expressions that mean something different from its literal meaning.
Idioms can help a conversation be more meaningful or fun. It can be used from friendly conversations to business meetings.
Here are some of the examples of idioms that you may hear before. Around the clock.
It means, for 24 hours a day.
For example, airports are open around the clock.
Burst out laughing.
It means, suddenly laughing loudly.
For example, the people burst out laughing inside the cinema.
Catch someone red-handed.
It means to catch someone doing something bad.
The police caught the thief red-handed.
On me.
It means, owning a responsibility.
For example,
Food's on me.
Days are numbered.
It means, survival is unlikely.
For example, Mark thought his days were numbered when a car almost hit him.
From scratch.
It means, from the beginning.
For example, Mom made her special recipe pasta from scratch.
Love at first sight.
It means, falling in love instantly.
For example, Reese saw a duck at the park, and it was love at first sight.
Piece of cake.
It means, very easy.
For example, I finished the test early, it was a piece of cake.
Take your time.
It means, do not hurry.
For example,
Go ahead, take your time.
Break a leg.
It means to wish someone good luck.
for example,
Break leg, kid. I'm going to watch you there.
let's practice your English.
Practice number 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Choose the correct meaning of each idioms. Around the clock means.
Letter A. Suddenly laugh loudly.
Letter B. for 24 hours a day.
Letter C. To wish someone good luck.
The correct answer is letter B. Around the clock means for 24 hours a day. Burst out laughing means.
Letter A. Suddenly laugh loudly.
Letter B. Piece of cake.
Letter C. Love at first sight.
The correct answer is letter A. Burst out laughing means suddenly laugh loudly. Catch someone red-handed means.
Letter A. To wish someone good luck.
Letter B. Falling in love immediately.
Letter C. Catch someone doing something bad.
The correct answer is letter C. Catch someone red-handed means catch someone doing something bad. On me means.
Letter A. Owning a responsibility.
Letter B. Very easy.
Letter C. From the beginning.
The correct answer is letter A. On me means owning a responsibility. Days are numbered means.
Letter A. Suddenly laugh loudly.
Letter B. Survival is unlikely.
Letter C. Do not hurry.
The correct answer is letter C. Days are numbered means survival is unlikely. From scratch means.
Letter A. To wish someone good luck.
Letter B. Very easy.
Letter C. From the beginning.
The correct answer is letter C. From scratch means from the beginning. Love at first sight means.
Letter A. Do not hurry.
Letter B. Falling in love immediately.
Letter C. To wish someone good luck.
The correct answer is letter B. Love at first sight means falling in love immediately. Piece of cake means.
Letter A. Very easy.
Letter B. For 24 hours a day.
Letter C. Owning a responsibility.
The correct answer is letter A. Piece of cake means very easy. Take your time means.
Letter A. Owning a responsibility.
Letter B. For 24 hours a day.
Letter C. Do not hurry.
The correct answer is letter C. Take your time means, do not hurry. Break a leg means.
Letter A. Suddenly laugh loudly.
Letter B. To wish someone good luck.
Letter C. Survival is unlikely.
The correct answer is letter B. Break a leg means, to wish someone good luck.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.